Well, I hate to say it. It's that time of year. The time of year where we gotta start putting stuff away, winterizing, because the snow is gonna fly here pretty soon. It's about 46 out here. Well, 50. We'll call it 50 out here, but it's cold. We got a north wind, which feels great, but I'd like it to be a little warmer. So, we got 2 mowers, 3 things that need to be kind of winterized here. Four things, actually. 1, 2, 3, 4, plus a couple in there. Oh boy, lots of work to do today. So let me go get some fogging oil and a couple tools, and we'll get started here. Do some cold starts. You guys like those, hey? So we'll be right back. Okay, our first customer here is this Toro recycler with a 6.75 horse Briggs engine. I got this one off the curb, probably a month ago? Maybe 2 months ago, because my truck had just died and I had to use my dad's van here to go pick it up. I have done absolutely nothing to this mower. All I did was put some gas in the tank, check the oil, and I rinsed it off once. But as soon as I got home, it fired right up. Granted, it was extremely smoky. I think that the previous owner had kept this standing up, or hung it up, or something stupid, and of course all the oil drained into the head. So, yeah. Well, let's start winterizing it. We're going to add some stabilizer to the gas and fire her up. See if I can find a clamp real quick. Alright, this critter is low on fuel, so I'm just going to run it out. But we got to do it quick, because as it's running out, you got to fog it, or at least that's what I want to do. So, here we go. Oh, this ain't going to work. Reset. Oh, that'll work. Okay. Air filter on, and that's one. Okay, next we have this Boland's. This has what? 4.5 horse Briggs, I think. I don't know. Something like that. I was trying to sell it. Nobody wants just a basic push mower. This one has an added feature though. The handle is adjustable. Taller, shorter. clogged up. We're gonna let this run for a little while. Be right back. Kind of work better than nothing. Alright, these monsters here, some of them are projects. The green Craftsman I just got, that's actually a customer who's a very good family friend. He got this off the curb. He's trying to be like me, I guess, and asked me to fix it up for him, see what's wrong with it. 9 times out of 10 it's either a spark plug or carburetor needs to be cleaned out. The 10th time it's something else minor. I've never gotten one out of all of the ones I picked up off the curb. I've never gotten one that the engine is blown or bad. So that's with those. The Honda there, I'm going to use in a minute to vacuum up the leaves. That leaves us one more. That guy still needs carburetor work. That was, whoops. This was the one that I got off the curb that was in pieces. For more information, you can see the video I did on it. It runs when it wants to. It's a carburetor issue. So, and then I gotta put the weed whackers away. Get the snow blower out from the corner and move it back over here. So, alright, we're gonna keep going. You know, the only bad thing about having a lot of toys to play with is figuring out where to store it for the winter. Let's see, I got all these mowers here. What else do I have? I got some stuff over there, a couple of the wheel horse tractors and parts tractor and another tractor way over there. I don't know what I'm going to do with that one. All these lawnmowers and stuff are going to go into my little shed here. The only problem is that's currently full of crap too. So, guess we got to empty it out and start stacking. And behind door number 1, let's find out if we're a winner. Oh, let's say I'm a loser. Wood. Gotten some room, gained some ground. Let's get a little closer. Whoops. Oh boy. I think I need to reevaluate my situations here. I got way too many lawnmowers. Alright, our first customer here. Craftsman with racing slick tires. I did not winterize it because I haven't gotten it running yet, but I don't know if it runs. Ow. Got it from a buddy of mine who moved to Ohio. Who's our next customer? I guess this critter. I call this the lowrider. It's actually my last curb find. Hopefully it squeaks right in there. I have a bad feeling. Oh my God. Ah. Let me go run and get 2 other candidates. I'll be right back. Alright, now the rain's starting to pick up, of course. Hope you guys are staying dry. These 2 I don't think you've seen yet. This is I don't even know what the heck it is. A yard eater or something? Oh, a Murray. Duh, it's a Murray. Looks like a weed eater. Yard eater, same thing. Oh. And then door number 2, the snapper. Ah, right down my neck. God. Poor grass. One. I may regret this choice, but what the heck. It is in. Ow. This mower right here is special. Oops. It's got at least 1,000 horsepower. Seriously. Like, ignore this. This is garbage. This does not apply. Look, got Champion sticker, Flowmaster, Edelbrock, another Edelbrock. Man, that's, you know, at least, let's see. This adds 250. The Edelbrock at least 500 and maybe another 250. So that's 1,000 right there, man. So, yeah. What else we got? I don't know. Oh my God, there's an auto meter sticker over here. Wow. So, well, we gotta put the big 1,000 horse bugger away for the winter. So, alright. back in there. Alright. Whoops. This thing's a monster, man. I'm telling you. Oh. Ready to go. Okay, that's it. Anything else? We're gonna get tarped. Can't do this. We got everything in there we set out to get in at least, so that's good. Alright. Wouldn't you know it, there's more wood over here. Well, that's going to stay there. This is just a quick preview here of what's to come, either this year or next year. Not snowmobile. This yard machines I got for free. I actually found it on Craigslist, so I'll show you the ad. Motor turns over, and that's about as much as I know about it. So we're going to have to figure out where to move it. The problem is, I don't know if it's got transaxle problems or what, but it won't roll. And by roll, I mean you can lift it up, one tire will spin and the other won't. If it's on the ground, they both won't roll in neutral. The problem is though, when I got it, I pushed it onto the trailer and it rolled fine. So I don't know if it's something simple, just a leverage issue or what, but that's in the future. And that's it. Alright guys, thanks for watching, commenting, and subscribing as always. And this has been a lawnmower update. Or I should say Pack Rats Anonymous update. I hate to say it, but I still have like 3 lawnmowers on the side that are parts mowers, but they can stay out. Alright guys, this little preview of upcoming stuff, either this year or next year, probably next year in the spring. And then we're going to have an old friend return that was here. And that's way later, hopefully, because I don't have anywhere to store it. So, with that said, alright guys, thanks for watching.